Hello students, how are you all? I am hoping that you all are safe and fine. Today again you are with me Deepika, your science teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the worksheet of chapter 2. Yesterday we have discussed the chapter 1 and I am hoping so कि most of the students have taken the printout of the worksheet. मैंने आपको group में send कर दी थी worksheet. So first you have to take the printout, then solve it and then paste in your notebook. Most of the students have done this. I got the messages also, and those who have not done, do it by today only. And yes, today we are going to discuss about the same procedure like yesterday. We are going to discuss first our worksheet and about the chapter 2, which will revise your chapter 2. So yes, in this form you can revise your chapter. So yes, second chapter is nutrition in animals. So basically in this chapter we discussed about nutrition. Nutrition क्या है? What are the 5 processes related with the nutrition? Then what are the procedure of procuring of the food? Then how the process of nutrition takes place in human beings? Like the 5 steps, how the whole digestive tract is including in the digestion of any kind of food. Then we have discussed about the nutrition in amoeba and then nutrition in ruminants in detail. So we are going to discuss about the worksheet regarding the same only. लेकिन बहुत सारे question we will cover in our worksheet, but still if some more questions will remain, then you have to read it thoroughly. आपका पेपर जो है, पेपर will come as a one word answer only. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि साइंस क्विज के जो one word answer है, oral question के जो one word answer है, सिर्फ वही आपको याद करने हैं. No, you have to read the chapter thoroughly. You have to go through with the content based question, क्योंकि पेपर will completely content based. आपको शॉर्ट टर्म्स आएंगी लेकिन वो पूरे चैप्टर में से कहीं से भी आ सकती हैं. उन क्वेश्चन के आंसर देने के लिए यू हैव टू रीड द चैप्टर थरली. ठीक है, तो यस, नाउ आई एम थिंकिंग सो कि नो कंफ्यूजन इज देयर. वन वर्ड आंसर ही आएंगे, चाहे मल्टीपल फॉर्म में आए, चाहे फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स की फॉर्म में आए, चाहे वन वर्ड आंसर आए या किसी और तरीके से आए, लेकिन वो चैप्टर में से कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं. जरूरी नहीं है कि जो मैंने आपको नोटबुक में करवाया है या क्वेश्चन आंसर की फॉर्म में करवाया है उसी फॉर्म में आए. ठीक है, सो यस, रीड द चैप्टर बहुत अच्छे से ताकि आपको सारी की सारी चीजें डिटेल में पता हो. नाउ मूव ऑन टू आवर वर्कशीट. यस
Yes student, now we are having worksheet. Actually this worksheet is according to whatever we are having in our exam. In our exam our question will come like 5 marks MCQs question will come, for 5 marks filling the blanks will come, 5 marks one word answer will come, and for 5 marks any activity based question can come or label the diagram can be there. So we are going to do 2 worksheets regarding the same. Our first worksheet is define the following terms. So yes, here you have to define the terms. First is assimilation. So yes, I think so you all know very well. Assimilation is the process of transportation of simple, soluble, absorbed food substances to different parts of the body where it is utilized for energy, growth and repair. So this is the answer of this first question. Here you have to write just the definition of the assimilation. Next also is the definition digestion. The process of breakdown of complex insoluble food substances into simple soluble food substances with the help of digestive juices prepared by body is called digestion. So yes, these are 2 definitions of these 2 questions. Now move on to next question, that is MCQs. So these kind of MCQs can come in your exam. First MCQ is the process in which undigested food is removed from the body is called. Yes, undigested food will remove by the process of assimilation, egestion, absorption or digestion. The answer is B, egestion. Now next question is ruminants ingest their food by hand, cilia, mouth, tentacles. So answer is mouth. They directly intake their food through their mouths. Next question is a frog captures its prey with its moist skin, long sticky tongue, long hind limb या webbed feet? तो yes, its answer is long sticky tongue. It use its tongue to capture the prey because it is very sticky. So insect will stick on the tongue and it will take the tongue inside its mouth to digest the insect. वो अपनी टंग को बाहर निकालता है, वो स्टिकी होने की वजह से इंसेक्ट उस पर चिपक जाता है और फिर वो अपनी टंग को अंदर ले लेता है ताकि वो उसको खा सके, डाइजेस्ट कर सके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स इज. यस, एनिमल्स, इट्स ऑटोट्रॉफिक, हेट्रोट्रॉफिक, मेसोट्रॉफिक और नन ऑफ दिस. इस आंसर इज हेट्रोट्रॉफिक, बी. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इंसेक्ट सक्स देयर फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेंटिकल्स, proboscis, skin or cilia. A special kind of tube is present in insects named as proboscis. So this is about our worksheet first. Yes, now move on to our next worksheet, that is worksheet 2. So yes, second worksheet here, it is the labeling of the diagram. Here we have to label the diagram. So yes, label the diagram will come in your exam. Label the diagram or activity based question will come in your exam as 5 marks question. So yes, here you have to label it. So yes, first one is this part. This is what? This is salivary gland. Okay, so yes, ये तीनों पार्ट्स को मर्ज किया हुआ है, ये वाला पार्ट और ये पीछे वाला पार्ट. ये तीनों क्या है? ऑल 3 आर salivary glands. नेक्स्ट इज दिस पार्ट. दिस इज oral cavity. नेक्स्ट इज दिस. दिस इज व्हाट? pharynx, a common passage for food and air. नेक्स्ट इज दिस वन. दिस वन इज tongue. तो यस, आंसर इज tongue. Now next one is long tube present for intaking the food inside the stomach. This tube is called esophagus. O is silent here. Next one is this part. As you very well know, this is stomach. Now next part is this part, a gap present between the liver and stomach. So yes, no. This one part. This one is next part. Yes, this one part is pancreas. And yes, this one large part is, this one is large intestine, and this one is small intestine present inside, and the longest part of the digestive tract. Yes, this is small intestine. Now move on here. This one is liver, and inside the liver this one part is present which is known as gallbladder. Now next one is the duct present inside the liver. It is known as common bile duct. Now last, this is rectum. Rectum is the part where water reabsorbs, and last one is the anus, from where the undigested food removes out from the body of an organism. So these kind of label the diagram can come in your exam. Now move on to next question. Complete the following. Here some organs are present, some enzymes. You have to write कि this gland is secreting which enzyme, and next one is the function of these enzymes. So yes, first gland is salivary gland. So salivary gland is secreting which enzyme? It's amylase. And the function of amylase is breaks down starch present in the food into sugars, simple sugar. Yes, amylase in mouth, salivary gland is present, and the digestion of the starch takes place in the mouth. Starch means what? Carbohydrates. So digestion of starch or carbohydrates starts from the mouth itself. Okay, and converts this starch into the simple sugar. Now next one is stomach. In stomach, one enzyme is present, that is pepsin, which breaks down proteins into peptones, or you can write proteins into amino acids. So yes, whatever you will write, it's okay. So yes, these answers can come. Now next answer is liver secretes bile juice, and the function of bile juice is help in the digestion of fat. So yes, fat's digestion occurs by the bile juice in our body. Now next is pancreas. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice, pancreatic enzymes, and its function is breaks down carbohydrates and proteins into simple forms. Carbohydrates and proteins both get digested by the pancreatic juice, and bile juice also come from the bile or gallbladder in the small intestine, which digest fats. तो इस तरह से तीनों चीजें डाइजेस्ट हो जाती है हमारे स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन सिक्रेट्स इंटेस्टाइनल जूस, इंटेस्टाइनल एंजाइम्स ऑल्सो. ये क्या करते हैं? एक्ट्स ऑन पार्शियली डाइजेस्टेड फूड एंड कन्वर्ट कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स एंड फैट्स इनटू सोल्यूबल फॉर्म्स. सो डाइजेशन कंप्लीट्स इन विच पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी? इट्स स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में वॉट एवर द फूड प्रेजेंट इन आर एनी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, मतलब किसी भी एलिमेंट्री कैनाल में, तो इट गेट डाइजेस्टेड बाय ऑल द एंजाइम्स इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ओनली. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के बाद खाना डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता, यहाँ पे पूरा डाइजेशन कंप्लीट हो जाता है. आफ्टरवर्ड्स द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑल्सो स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ओनली. एज आई टोल्ड यू, स्मॉल finger-like projections are present in the small intestine, named as villi, which increases the surface area of small intestine. ठीक है, डाइजेशन कंप्लीट होके एब्जॉर्प्शन भी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में ही स्टार्ट हो जाती है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग वन वर्ड आंसर. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन कैन ऑल्सो कम इन योर एग्जाम. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम द वाइडेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ह्यूमन एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. वाइडेस्ट पार्ट इज स्टमक. Next one is name the types of teeth. Yes, how many types of teeth are present in our mouth? 4 types of teeth. Name बताने हैं तो yes, names are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. And give the role of the teeth in digestion. यहाँ पे individual teeth का रोल नहीं पूछा है, यहाँ पे overall teeth का रोल पूछा है. डाइजेशन में क्या होता है? The role of the teeth is the teeth break down the food into small pieces, chew and grind them. Okay. Now next is what is peristalsis? Peristalsis, the pushing down of food by the walls of esophagus in a wave-like action is called peristalsis. Peristalsis क्या होता है? esophagus जब खाना push down करता है तो उसको हम peristalsis बोलते हैं. इस तरह का मूवमेंट होता है, ये इस तरह से मूवमेंट चलता रहता है. सो इस तरह के मूवमेंट को हम पेरिस्टाल्सिस मूवमेंट बोलते हैं, जिससे खाना माउथ से स्टमक में ट्रांसफर होता है. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ म्यूकस इन स्टमक. म्यूकस का क्या रोल होता है? द म्यूकस प्रोटेक्ट्स द इनर लाइनिंग ऑफ द स्टमक फ्रॉम द एक्शन ऑफ एंजाइम्स एंड एसिड्स. तो बेसिकली इट प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर स्टमक फ्रॉम द HCl or the harmful effect of the HCl. Now next question is what happens to the undigested food. Undigested food का क्या होता है? The undigested food gets egested from the body. वो body से बाहर निकल जाता है. Last question of this worksheet is where is digested food absorbed? कहाँ पर वो food absorb होता है? Digested food is absorbed in the small intestine. ये small intestine में absorb होना start हो जाता है, as I told you now only. So beta, these are 2 worksheet of these chapters and these kind of question can come in your exam. Be prepared for your exam, and this is all about for today's video. Thank you.